Good morning, students. The last two diagram I'm going to tell you for this slide. See here, object is between C and F, focus and center of curvature. So the light ray will go parallel to the principal axis and it will cross through F. Again, the another ray will cross F and parallel to principal axis. So the image will be formed beyond C. When the object is between C and F, the image will be formed beyond C, and the nature of the image will be real and inverted, and the size of the image will be large. And in the next one, this is the object between focus and pole. So the ray will go parallel to principal axis, it will cut F, again it will go to the pole, again it will go there. Now this is the line which comes from the C. Now see, this is the exceptional diagram. In this diagram, the image will be formed in behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, image will form behind the mirror and image will be upright, मतलब सीधी होगी. देखो यहाँ पे in every case the image is always real and inverted, but only in this case where the object is between F and P, the image will be virtual and upright. Now this is the basic 6 diagram. I'll give you the brief noting of these 6 diagram. Understand it. Object, image. Now the object is, let's see, the object is at infinity, so image will be at F. If the object is at F, image will be at infinity. देखो चीजें समझो, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी पे है तो इमेज एफ पे होगी, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट एफ पे तो इंफिनिटी होगी, वाइस वर्सा होता है. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट सी, इमेज विल बी एट सी. इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट आपका सी एंड एफ होगा तो इमेज होगी आपकी बियॉन्ड सी, और अगर ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड सी होगा तो इमेज आपकी बनेगी बिटवीन सी एंड एफ. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 diagram, and the last diagram, that is the object between F and P. So the image will be behind the mirror. This is exception. Now only this one is virtual and upright. बाकी ये जितना भी है ये सब रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड. ये तो हो गया नेचर ऑफ इमेज. देखो इस टेबल को अगर ऐसे बनाएंगे, ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया, इमेज हो गया, ऑब्जेक्ट इंफिनिटी, इमेज एफ, ऑब्जेक्ट एफ, इमेज इंफिनिटी, इस तरीके से होगा. अब इसका नेचर, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट अगर इंफिनिटी पे है तो इमेज एफ, तो ये कितना होगा, हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, मतलब बहुत छोटा. ऑब्जेक्ट एफ पे इंफिनिटी, एनलार्ज्ड. C और C सेम साइज. ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन C एंड F और बियॉन्ड C होगा तो लार्ज. बियॉन्ड C और C एंड F होगा मैग्निफाइड, और F and P behind the mirror large. Now these are the concept. These are the 6 ray diagram. Ray diagram I have already told you, and this is the table for the ray diagram. So you have to learn it, and the next we'll go for mirror formula in the next class.